Lesson 45, Multiple Page Reports, Word Drills. Go ahead and maximize the window display. We're going to insert a plain number, page number 3. So insert, header and footer, page number. We want it at the top of the page, and plain number 1 is left, 2 is center, and 3 is right, justified. And then close out of the header footer. Edit the current header. The page number is on the top on the first page. We want to remove it from the first page. So insert, header and footer. It's the header we're working with. There's actually an edit header, and we don't want the 1 to be on the first page because it's the title page. So choose different first page and then close. It remains on the rest of the pages. So right now, the bottom of the top page starts Friday and then it continues on the next page. We want to keep this all together. So click the line and paragraph spacing, go to line spacing options, choose line page breaks, and select keep with next so it stays all together on the next page. To select the Veranda font, just click in the font box, and instead of scrolling all the way to the V's, just type the V. Change the font size, click the down arrow for more options, select 16. For the copyright symbol, you could just type the open parentheses, the letter C, and close parentheses, and you'll get it. Another place you can get it is in Insert, Symbols, and then Copyright. Underneath Copyright, I'm going to type a little bit, and then check your work. Continue. And on the next one, we're going to go after microfiber and add a trademark symbol. So back in Insert, Symbols, Symbol, and trademark is TM.